Hello everyone, welcome to my online geography class KSK Geography. Here I am discussing one of the important chapters for your ICSE Geography, that is agriculture. Now we have already covered few portion of the chapters and now we are almost at the end part of the chapters. Today in this video we will discuss about the fiber crops. Now according to your syllabus, remember you need to know about two fiber crops, that is jute and cotton. So let's start with cotton first, then we will discuss about jute. So as I said, the things you need to remember as per the syllabus, the required condition. It means required temperature, required rainfall, required soil, and the distribution and the mechanism or process of cultivation. So let's start with cotton. So the cotton ideal condition is there, high temperature. How much high? More than 30 degrees Celsius temperature is required. Next, long vegetation period, ample sunshine, dry climate, and minimum 500 millimeter rainfall, or if the amount of rainfall it will be not there, so then you need to supplement with irrigation. Now which type of soil is required? Deep soil, heavy clay soil, ideally black cotton soil is required for cotton cultivation. I hope you remember when you study about the soil distribution, there you have studied the black soil area, that's called regur and is good for cotton cultivation. So those are the soil conditions required. And next, no water logging, that is the another requirements for the cotton cultivation. Cotton development, the strong root growth in first 2 weeks, next natural bud sheddings, and only approx 1/3 of the flowers develop boils, and the plant compensate for damage through increasing growth. So those are the conditions required for cotton cultivation. Next, here you can see cotton cultivation distribution. One interesting fact I will say it here, that it will help you to remember this cotton and jute easily. Remember, cotton is to cultivate in the western side more. On the other hand, jute is to cultivate in the eastern side more. When we study the jute, that time I will show you. So here you can see this part of the map. Here we are able to cultivate cotton much more. So which state? Maharashtra, obviously, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, where you can see the amount of black soils are there we will be able to cultivate the cotton, right? So now next we'll discuss about jute. It is known as a golden fiber. Please mark the term that may be given for your MCQ. It is the major cash crops. Jute fiber is obtained from the inner bark of the jute plant. Now it is used in making gunny bags, mats, ropes, and for different purpose we are using the jute, right? So the required condition for jute, that is a soil existing crops. So it's required, here you need to focus, well drained fertile soil, and the soil should be replenished, means the alluvial soil should be replenished by the new alluvial every year, and high temperature. What is the temperature requirement? 24 to 35 degrees Celsius, and heavy rain, that is required 125 to 200 centimeters rainfall, and low plain lands are favorable condition for the cultivation of jutes. Why? After getting that jute, that you need to put it under the water for some time. So for that, low lands area is very important requirements. Now next, there is the methods of cultivation. Remember, the jute sheets is very small in size, so that's why it should be prepared, the land should be prepared to a fine tilth. Next one, the harvesting. The harvesting period starts from July and continues till October. The processing after harvesting, the shapes of the jute's bundle are immersed in flood water or stagnant water. So in that way, we need to keep it for 2-3 weeks. We need to keep it for 2-3 weeks. So in that way, what will happen? The fibers elements, it will start to be separated from the that strong strong part. Next one, here you can see the major production of jute in India. As I said, the eastern part is favorable for jute cultivation. So here, which are the states are there? West Bengal, the largest producer in India, along with that Bihar, Assam, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh and Meghalaya. India is the largest producer of jute in the world. So those are the states are there, or those are the area or regions are there. There you can cultivate jute. So those are the 2 fiber crops according to your syllabus you need to study. In next video, we will discuss about the plantation crops. So according to your syllabus, you need to study about 2, that is tea and coffee. So for that, you need to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. And before the exam, I'll come with one short video for whole chapters. So I'll give you the easy tricks how to remember the whole chapters at a time, and there will be no problem of giving those answers in your board exam, and you will be able to get good marks. Thank you very much for watching KSK Geography, and don't forget to like and share with your friends. Right?